What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog. For those of you that are new, welcome. We got a good video today. It's really nice out, so I'm gonna go meet up with my homeboy at the skate park. We're gonna have a quick session. Then after that, we're gonna go and get what you guys already see in the title. I'm gonna get that installed for today also. Yeah, let's try to get this session in. It's a really nice day out. It's really early too. Get this out the way. And yeah, stay tuned. Guys, and just like that, we're done with the sesh and onto the car. Let me just show you what we got right here. So I got these online. I didn't even realize that K-Tune made upper control arms for the TSX, and they actually look really good. See, the quality is really good. Got the adjustable camber top. So we're going to be installing these bad boys today. See the wheels too. Gave the car a wash, looking really good. I actually like how they look on the car too. If you guys like these wheels, give it a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. They look really good. Alright guys, I found a little spot right here, my usual spot. Alright guys, so let's see. Open this. So I was trying to figure out what it is that we need in order to get this install going. So I have to jack the car up, obviously, take the wheel out in order to see what it is, like the sockets that we're gonna need to take out the stock upper control arm. So right now I'm gonna just jack the car up and take the wheel out and just figure out what we got in there. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out the bottom fork just to relieve some tension on this, and then we're gonna remove the upper control arm, which is the castle nut here, the 17, and the 10mm holding the line, and I believe it's 2 14s back here, and that should release the upper control arms. Alright guys, so what I ended up doing was removing the entire strut with the fork, because I really had no space to get to the 14 mils that are in here. So now that everything's out, this could come off. Move this kind of out the way, and then we can get into this bolt that is right here. You can get to this bolt here and the one on this side here. And once you remove those, the whole upper control arm can come right off, and we can swap out for the new one. So let's do that.
Meanwhile, across town, it's less than fashionable volleyball at the San Francisco Examiner. These editors are programming today's copy on the same Ohio computer. When the telephone connection between two terminals is made, the newest electronic journalism.
With the old, look at that. Even the ball joint was coming out. It's probably from the banging. Got the new one here. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try to match the camber to the OEM one. So as you can see, this one's a little more pushed out, which would make it positive. So we're gonna loosen these Allen bolts. I'm gonna measure from this hole to where this is, and then try to get it as close as possible. Alright guys, so I kind of got it to match as best as possible, and then I did the same for the opposite side, and now we're just gonna install these, and the process is obviously everything in reverse. I put these through here like so. And then we gotta put the bolts through. And I'm gonna bolt everything up, and then we're gonna go for a test drive just to see if anything feels weird, and then after that we should be golden. So let's just put everything back and go on to the opposite side. Just like that, both sides are off, and the fitment is looking pretty good. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. I'm gonna have to go to the alignment shop soon just to make sure everything is dialed in. But for right now, we're gonna go on a little test drive and see how it feels. All right, guys. So it's been a couple days already, and I was able to fix the upper control arms hitting at the top at the shock tower, and all I did was I tightened it down a little more, and it helped with that. It still kind of bangs, but it's not too bad. And yeah, so far so good. So right now I'm gonna close off the video. I'm actually doing another video right now, so you guys are gonna see that coming up soon. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe, you know, all that good stuff to help the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.